morning, my dear children. I hope you all are fine and healthy also. Okay, so let's continue today again with the multiplication of fractions. Okay, in the last video we have studied question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of exercise 2.3. Now let's today start with the next question. All the questions are easy if you know how to solve question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. All are likewise only. Okay, let's move. Exercise 2.3, question number 5. Which is greater? Means here 2 by 3 of 1 by 5 is given as well as 3 by 5 of 5 by 6 is given. When you simplify this and this, after simplifying you see what answer you are getting and then you decide either this is greater or this is greater. Okay, so now first let's start with this fraction. Solution means answer. Write down the first one. First one is what? 2 by 3 of 1 by 5. You all know very well. Of represents multiplication sign. So simplify now. 2 by 3 of means multiplication 1 by 5. Can we convert it to lowest form? No. So just multiply numerators and denominators. So 2 ones are 2 and 3 5s are 15. Suppose this is what? Number 1. Okay. Now let's solve this one. 3 by 5 of 5 by 6. Now simplify. 3 by 5 of means multiplication 5 by 6. Now simplify. As you can see 5 and 5 get cancelled. This also get cancelled. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. And now children, here what you are getting? 1 by 2. What you are getting here? 1 by 2. Now when we have solved this, you have got 2 by 15, and when we have solved 3 by 5 of 5 by 6, you have got 1 by 2. Now you have to find which is greater. Now there are two ways to find what is greater. Either you convert this 2 by 15 into decimal and this 1 by 2 into decimal, and then you decide which one is greater, if this is greater or this is greater, whether this is greater or this one. Or you know how to get the fractions, which fraction is greater, by using cross multiplication method. So let's move to that. Here it is from 1 and 2 you can see. In this way you can also write from 1 and 2. Your 1 is what? 2 by 15 and your second is what? 1 by 2. Let's use cross multiplication. Always start with this one. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 15 ones are 15. Now here children you can find this 4 is less than 15 and this 15 is for 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 is for 3 by 5 of 5 by 6. So since 4 is greater than 4 is less than 15, it means what? 15 is greater. So what is greater? 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 15 and this 1 by 2 is the answer for 3 by 5 of 5 by 6. So therefore 3 by 5 of 5 by 6 is greater. Very simple. This we have already studied in the previous exercise. How to find which fraction is greater. One more sum is there and that's your homework. Now let's move to question number 6. Now see question number 6. Question number 6 is what? Find. Now what you have to find? 3 by 4 of a year. Here year given. So this year you will convert into month and you will find the answer of 3 by 5 of a year. Now you know children, 1 year having how many months? 12 months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So first you will write that. A year means 1 year. 1 year is equal to 12 months. So this it becomes what? 3 by 4 of means multiplication. A year means how many months? 12 months. Now you simplify. You know 3 into 12 by 4. This you can cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now what is left? 3 into 3. And what is that? 3 into 3 is what? 9 months. As we have converted this year into months, so in answer you will write 9 months, not year. Getting? In the same way, all the rest of the examples are all like that only. Just units are changing. See, 2 by 5 of a rupee. Now this rupee you will convert into paise. A rupee means 1 rupee, and you know 1 rupee is equal to how much paisa? 100 paisa. So first you will write 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, and in the same way, what you will write now here? 2 by 5 into 100, and you will simplify. So this is your what? Homework. Again, now you see 1 by 4 of an hour. Now this hour you will convert into minutes. Everyone knows that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here you will write 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and the rest you have to solve. Find the answer. You will write 1 by 4 into 60, and whatever the answer you will get, that answer will be in minutes. Now in the same way, let's see this example. 11 by 25 of a liter. Now children, a liter means 1 liter. Everyone knows we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So now it implies this question becomes 11 by 25 into 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. And now you simplify 11 into 1000 by 25. Now convert it to lowest form. You know at one's place there is 5 and here also 0. So both the numbers are divisible by 5, or anyone we can divide 1025 by 25 also. Let me divide by 25. 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100 and is 0. So what is answer now? 11 into 40. So find the product of 11 into 40 ml. What will be? It will be what? Ml. So question number 5 and 6 both are easy. Now let's move to the word problem of this exercise. So let's study now question number 7, word problem. Read the question carefully. Everything will be easy, and try to understand the meaning of the question. Read the information given. Priyanka has 24 apples. What does it mean? Means total number of apples Priyanka has how many? 24. 3 by 4 of these means 3 by 4 of these means of total apples. 3 by 4 of these 24 apples are found to be rotten. Rotten means वो सड़ गए. Okay. Now find the number of rotten apples. You have to find the number of rotten apples. So children, it's very easy. See the meaning of the question. First you will write whatever given. What is given to you? You have given that number of apples. Number of apples how many? 24. 3 by 4. How number of rotten apples how many? Let's write number of rotten apples. It's how many? 3 by 4 of 3 by 4 of total apples. Okay. Now you have to find the number of rotten apples. Very easy. So you can write like this according to question. What is the condition given that we will write? Let's write the number of rotten apples is equal to, according to the question, 3 by 4 of these means 3 by 4 of total. So 3 by 4 of 24. And you know children, of represents multiplication, and here 24, and you know how to simplify. What we will do? 3 into 24 by 4. Simplify this. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, and find the answer. 3 into 6, that is 18. And at last you have to write answer in words. And what will be the answer here? The number of rotten apples is equal to whatever the answer you are getting, and you know what is answer. Okay. So I hope children you all understood whatever the sums we have studied today. Complete the sums regularly, do your homework regularly, work hard and do more practice. Okay. Goodbye children. Have a nice day.